Just received the laptop stand. It's a laptop raiser stand from a company called Boyata. Found it on Amazon. Spent around 22, 23 pounds, I think. I need to check that once again. But it looks good. It has good heft to it. And I like stands with more footprint over here and over here as well. Anti-slip pads. There are 4 on the top of the surface, and on the bottom there are 4 as well. So it looks to be sturdily made, and I like it that the thickness or the gauge over here for the support legs over here is good. And it, like I said, it has good heft to it, and hopefully it holds the laptop well. And that being aluminum, made of aluminum, it would look good with anything Apple related. So it looks quite sturdy. So yeah, so far looks good. Boyata adjustable laptop stand. Found it on Amazon. Adjustable height, aluminum alloy, and there is anti-skid mat, the rubber squares over there, and then the protective hook right here such that the laptop doesn't slide away, and the laptop doesn't slide sideways as well because of the rubber pads, and it can hold up to 5 kilos. Collapsible design, so you can put it in your laptop bag along with your laptop and then carry it over to the library or your classroom, anywhere. Okay, the lid, I can close the lid without disturbing the position of the laptop, so that is good. So it doesn't move when you're trying to push the lid down. That's about it. Thanks for watching.